Namaste. Welcome to namastehindi.com. My dear learners, till now you have learned Hindi vowels and consonants successfully. From here onwards, we will learn how to make words from these vowels and consonants that we have learned so far. But you are not alone. In this journey, two beautiful siblings, Alex and Sarah, have joined us. So, let's get started. Alex and Sarah visited India to meet their grandparents. In their library, they found a magical reading book. They were curious to know what is inside this book. So, are you curious too? So, let's find out with Alex and Sarah what we are going to get in this magical reading book. Is it like Zumanzi? Will it take us to new world? Or will it teach us new words? Let's find out. As Alex and Sarah opened this magical book, a magical voice came and it says, "Hi Alex, hi Sarah. I know you now know the Hindi vowels and consonants, but do you know how to make words from them?" Alex and Sarah were surprised and they said, "Yes, we want to know. But who are you?" "Oh, I am the magical book of words and I will teach you how to read and write this beautiful language called Hindi." Oh, now Alex and Sarah are very happy. And then the voice comes. When two Hindi letters come together without any matras, we have to read them one after another without giving pause. Alex and Sarah were surprised to know that. So they started experimenting with it. And then a magical word appeared in front of them. And the vowels, consonants were ka, ma. And they started reading it together without giving pause. Ka, ma, come. Ka, ma, come. Oh, Alex was happy. And so was Sarah. And are you happy too? Let's try. As they read first word, suddenly the page turned itself and a new word appeared. Alex asked Sarah, "Sarah, can you read this word?" Sarah happily said, "Of course, Alex. This is kal. Kal? What does kal means?" The magical voice from book says kal means tomorrow or yesterday. Kal, kal means tomorrow or yesterday. Now Alex and Sarah both were happy, and so are you. And then, and then, the magical book turned its page, and a river flowed in front of them. There was lots of water, and a word appeared in front of Alex and Sarah. And can you read it? What the word is? Yes, it is jal. Water in Hindi is called jal. Alex and Sarah were very happy to learn that. And Alex asked Sarah, "Sarah, can I get jal?" And they both laughed happily. Now, as the magical book turned its page, a beautiful house appeared in front of them. Alex said, "Oh, Sarah, I know this word." Sarah said, "What? You know this word?" "Yes, it is ghar. So you know this word? Tell me in the comment box. House in Hindi is called ghar. Alex and Sarah were surprised. Oh, what comes next? As the magical book was turning its pages, Alex was saying to Sarah, "Sarah, I'm getting hungry." And suddenly a basket of fruits appeared in front of them. "Oh, but you know what fruits in Hindi is called?" Sarah said, "Oh, yes, I know. Dadu told me. It is called phal. He even told us to eat phal before coming here. So these are phal. Fruits in Hindi are called phal." Now Alex and Sarah were enjoying their learning with this magical book. And suddenly the page turned and beautiful animals, trees and flowers appeared in front of them. And it looks like the whole forest. But neither Alex nor Sarah knew what forest in Hindi is called. Then a magical voice appeared and said, "Forest in Hindi is called van. Van." And magical book congratulated Alex and Sarah to unlock their another Hindi word. So do you know what forest in Hindi is called? It is called Van. Now Alex jokingly said to Sarah, Sarah, now I can read any Hindi two-letter word. You say, I will read. And suddenly, the magical book heard them. And so many two-letter words started flowing in the room. Is it rus, or is it na, bha, na? Is it kha, ta, khat? Oh my God, there are so many. Alex and Sarah cried. So I am leaving you with Alex and Sarah to read these two-letter words that magical book have given. So you try to read these words. The first one is, yes, it is a, b, ab. The second one is, yes, ja, la, jal. Third one is, ma, na, man. And this fourth one, you try yourself. Yes, it is ka, la, kal. And this one is da, ra, dar. Now this one is, yes, very good. It is pa, ra, par. You try this. I am sure you can read this. This is very easy. Gha, ta, ghat. And this one is da, ma, dam. So very good. Very good, my dear learners, and very good, Alex and Sarah. You have done well. Now you read all these words, and I am going to prepare something new for you. Okay, and tell me in the comment box that were you able to read all these words by yourself at the end of the video or no? And I know the answer will be yes. I was able to read these words. So comment me yes if you read all these words. Till then, bye. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for such more entertaining and learning videos.